Hey, thought I would do a video. It's been 3 or 4 days. I'm looking at the van outside a hotel room. And while I'm in the hotel room, when I spent the 4 or 5 coldest days of the year so far in the van, well, I had a horrible cough and slight fever. And when have a cough and a slight fever, I don't play with it at all. Uh, I could have stayed in the van because I was not that uncomfortable during the cold days. I had the Big Buddy heater. It had no problems. But since I was in the van anyway, because I had to do some patching, which is when you work on computer systems, they patch at night. And so you have to bring it down, bring it back up, and then check the status. So I was going to stay in a cheap hotel room for that night, just so I could get it done without any problems. It's difficult to do it in the van. Not impossible, but difficult. In any case, other than that, over here, I did get a couple of things I ordered. I just went and picked them up. I got a Chilton Manual for full size vans, 89 to 96. Mine is a 91. I really do need that. I got the Haynes in there already, but it's not very good. Maybe I'm just Chilton. What is it? Crazy because my dad used to read Chilton Manual. My dad was not a very good mechanic, but he was as literate like I am. So what we basically have to do is read to learn and learn by reading. So I got to go run through some things and figure out some repair things I need to do, and this is the best way to do it. I'd like to fix the heater for the winter, but I probably won't be able to do that. I just don't, because there's no heater in that in the winter. I will not be going across town. I'll not be going across counties. I'm just going to be going to where I'm going to park, get out, turn on the Big Buddy, turn on the Camco, one or the other of those heaters, or both. In case over here, I did get warning: eye strain and skin irritant. Yeah, I bought some more pepper spray. I like to have pepper spray in my van. I like to have it in there. It's just, I'm a guy. I had my guy cart punched a long time ago, but I'm not as young as I used to be. So if people try to get out of hand, I might need some assistance. But I like to kick their butt so they don't kick my butt. And these are some Frontier. Can't hardly see it through that bag. All right, I got some Frontiersman bear spray. I got a lot of faith in this because I've actually tested it. This is the same stuff that I cut when I was doing some alterations in my van, and I cut through the bottle and sprayed in my face. So I'm sure whoever gets this, because I'm not a baby, so if it didn't affect me too adversely, it's probably not going to affect anybody else. So so if somebody breaks into my van, it'll be a less lethal way of doing the encroachment. And I'll put one and hang it right up near my head. Hopefully it doesn't go off. And then I'll hang one near the door. In any case, just want to give you a quick look. Sorry about, like I said, I haven't really been doing much van stuff. Since the last video, I have been sick the entire time. Right now, I've just now begun to feel like a human being. A couple of my lady friends, and they are not lady friends, they are friends who are ladies, wanted me to go to the hospital. I wouldn't. Not that I needed to. It's just, it's ladies in there, and this particular lady used to be an administrator in the hospital, so she wants me to go. So I said I'll go, but I didn't, and now I'm fine. In case I will talk to you later.